All right. Hello, guys. How are you? This is Rafa from Brazil, striking again. How are you feeling today? Today's Friday, September 10th. Welcome. This is a live trade where I cannot open my camera. I at a public place here nearby ESPN studio. So I really apologize, but I'll be uncovered. Okay, guys, how are you doing? Have you been watching interesting opportunities? What do you think about markets today? What are you understanding about what's the best approach for the markets today? Nothing very interesting happening. Let me see. Yeah, no big economic calendars, no big economic news. Just the regular, just the same thing that we have been understanding. I was expecting some volatility with the deceased of Queen Elizabeth, but I think it didn't happen. And which is good. Of course, we haven't never been experienced something like this because we're not alive when we have the last transition. The Forex markets, they were not, they didn't exist. In fact, when we had the last changing on the United Kingdom crown. So, of course, we cannot have anything to understand about this. But markets didn't perform bad. So it's going okay. All right, guys. Any news? Do you want anything to share? Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up hard. I really don't understand much right now about Bitcoin pricing organization. I'm not that aware of that. I've been away from Bitcoin market for a long time ago, so no, I really don't have any clue about what is going on with Bitcoin. Okay. Despite that, I think we can start looking for opportunities with the dollar going down. Well, let's see who is already here for me to start. Okay. We have 4 brave souls here. Please identify yourselves. Good morning. Let me give you a good morning, guys. Good morning. You'd already have your coffee. You'd already have your morning routine. It's very important for you to have a routine, to have your routine done, right? The things that you like to do, things that you think it's important, things that you understand as priority. Okay, all right. So I understand this is something that you should be doing with regularity because we understand that the more you get used to your own routine, it's better for you, right? Okay, let's start. You can analyze. We have great movements today. Look at this. I have a yesterday strong movement. Okay, we wasn't able to get this movement, but look at have at 11:15 a very wide open and a very hard open on the triple cross around this area with the ADX going up. I wouldn't take this trade. You know why, right? You know why? Because my father, which is the daily, wasn't telling me to do that. But if you are aggressive, you're a grown man. You are a grown man. You should have collected 56 pips. Oh my God, that's great. This is great. And I want to point to something very important here. Look, we had this resistance here, okay? You should be taking that into consideration, guys. Look, price have been up here, touch it here, down, up, almost touch it down, up, almost touched down. So we had this channel over here. Look. Okay. We had this channel over here. So we must train our eyes to identify this kind of thing, okay? Because when it has strength enough to break this channel, it's when the trade develops. Okay? It's when the trade develops. I will say circle the internet poor today. Well, it happens, my friend. It happens. It happens with everyone. We sent the man to the moon, but we're still not able to provide a stable and reliable connection, internet connection, of course, and fast connection. So this happens. This happens everywhere in the world. I have been to Spain for 1 week on April, and it was amazing how poor the internet connection was. I just can't remember how poor the internet connection was at the hotel. It's incredible, incredible. An expensive hotel, huh? AUD chief, nothing very interesting, only counter trends. Now we have been, it's not a triple cross. I don't like this. Okay, I don't like this. So we must be waiting for another opportunity. AUD JPY, it's clearly an uptrend, so we should be looking for uptrends, not downtrends. So let's let it go. It was a good entry over here. It was AUD NZD. Okay, as soon as we have the opening of the triple moving average, you could have been entering around here. You would have collect 31 pips. Okay, on the worst opportunity, you could have collect 5 pips. 5 pips. AUD USD, that was the pair, right? Look, I don't like this. Okay, I understand that this is a good entry. Okay, it was against the trend. I don't blame you if you take that. I don't take that. Okay, I'll pass. 94 pips. 94 pips, guys. Incredible. Incredible. 94 pips. Guys, please, the first thing to do is hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely important to support the channel and, you know, show some gratitude. Some gratitude, hitting the like button and driving the YouTube algorithms for people who may be interested about Forex trading, about Forex information, about day trading, about you know, system setups. And this works for every market. So maybe you have some particular friend or your work's colleague may be interested in doing so. Maybe, you know, they are just looking for information, looking for good websites, looking for a good YouTube channel. So do myself a favor, please, and hit the like button, subscribe, and share this link. Okay. Bitcoin was a great trade. Risky because I don't like Bitcoin, very volatile, but it was a risky trade. But what I want to call your attention here is this. Look, first of all, the ADX very low, very, very low for a long time, a long period, and eventually poof, starts to go up and the trade ignites, and look what we have. Look what we have. Okay, the same thing here. That's the kind of trade we must be looking for. Not very clear, not very clear, not very clear, not very clear, not very clear. And then we have a clear moving average splitting, and then a beautiful trend. Okay, that's what we should be looking for, guys, right? The same thing here. Look, cat chief, I showed you yesterday how it does its development beautifully. Cat JPY, again, a downtrend, but we are against the higher time frames, so we just pass it. Chief JPY, the trade we took yesterday, look, it was great. It reached almost here. It was a good and positive trade. It gave us 75 pips. Nothing bad. Nothing bad. The trade we took yesterday, okay? It was the trade we took yesterday during class. DXY, that's the dollar. Now it's it was clearly going down for a while. Now it's retracing. It is still on a positive bias because we have the daily on positive area, right? Euro AUD, a clearly downtrend for now, but we still have a strong bias to the upside, okay? Euro CAD, it's the same thing. You could have take a place in here, right? You should be entering here. It reaches 34 pips. It would have hit in your break even, and it wouldn't be a positive, but it wasn't a loss. Euro Chief, let's see that. Oh my God. Oh my God, good entry over here, around here, good entry over here, good entry detected. Around 4 a.m., the opening of the London, and we would have at the max 52 pips. Oh my God, and you were already with 27 pips. You could have trimmed some profits here because you are a scalper. At this class, you were now a scalper, and you could have collected some pips, right? Is that clear for you guys? Is that clear? Am I too fast? Am I going too fast? Good morning, Chade Bennett. Good morning to you. Good morning, Chade Bennett. You're very welcome, my friend. Euro GBP, let's see what's going on here. Yeah, mixed feelings. Nothing very clear for now. Not very clear at the moment. Let's see. Whoa, I went to my car for a while. For a sec. Okay. Good morning. Euro JPY, let's see. A downtrend against the trend, right? Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, clearly uptrend for now. Maybe it's a pullback, a strong pullback. No doubt about it, right? Euro NZD, nothing very interesting as well. We have a downtrend for now. Look at the lower time frames, okay? When we have a down opportunity with this kind of background, with the daily positive, with the H4 going down, with the thinner line going down, it's clearly a pullback on the higher time frames. Of course, you can collect some pips here and there, but it's a pullback on the higher time frame. So you must analyze that as a bigger picture, okay? It's not a trending change, right? It's only become a trending change when the higher time frames indicates that you with technical analysis, with breakouts, with support and resistance breaks, with volume, okay? That's where you're gonna start looking to it as a trend changing, and that's when it becomes much more reliable for you to trade. Okay, like this one. This is a trend changing. Look, dollar now is going up, and it was indicating that to you yesterday. Look, we reached almost 100 pips. Almost 100 pips. Let's check the 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. Look, it was the same here. It was the same, and I can almost guarantee that it's gonna go up because now it's just a pullback. It's testing this moving average here. It's testing. Maybe it can go a little further with high volume, but you know, it's just a test because now we are on positive territory. So we should expect this. Okay, we should expect pullbacks. A trend, it's not a straight up line. No, it up and go, right? GBP AUD, that's clearly a downtrend. Okay, it was a pullback. Now it's a downtrend on the beginning. If we jump into the 15 minutes, it becomes much more clear, and it's much more reliable that we could have a beautiful entry around here. Lots of entries on the Asian session, guys. Guys, that's something that I really encourage you to do. Taking a time to look at the market on the Asian session, especially for you who lives in America, who lives in California, who lives in Seattle, who lives in Utah, who lives in Santa Monica, who lives in Mexico, who lives, Texas or Central America. Guys, you should be looking for that, because that's opportunities that you're missing. Okay, that's opportunities. Maybe we have good opportunities here and there, so we should be looking for that. The Asian session can be very, very profitable as well. Sometimes we look only with the surf, with people who of course are more experienced, but they're just too biased or too doomed to one direction. They have doing that for so long that it's just second nature for them. But we should be trying to think more out of the box, right? We should try to do not overthink. Of course, that's one of the best and one of the worst strategies that you can develop on Forex markets. But we should try to understand the bigger picture. We should try to look at the markets with a different perspective, because the Forex market, especially the Forex markets, it's open 24 hours a day, 24/7. And if you look at the markets with a different approach, especially if you're more adaptable for that reality, you could look for amazing opportunities. Okay? Let's just pay attention to that. I just want your eyes open, right? Your heart open for that. GBP CAD. Whoops, we have a reverse with the trend. Seems good to me. Let's wait for the ADX to point up. GBP Chief, again, is testing. GBP JPY, little mixed feelings. I don't like this green line here. GBP NZD going down again. Have a huge opening here. Now it's testing. And GBP USD. We have a beautiful uptrend here, right? And I have showed you. But again, 103 pips. Excellent. You could have taken 50 pips almost. But it is a counter trend. So I don't like that. I don't like this. I don't like this triple cross here. That's why I skip it. Okay. NZD CAD going down. Lots of pullbacks, right? NZD Chief, we don't have a good, interesting triple cross, so I left. NZD JPY as well. NZD USD, we have a beautiful uptrend against the trend. Now we don't have a good triple cross, so I pass it. Froze. My trending view froze. All right. Look, beautiful entry here. Great entry. Great entry. 8:30. Look, it's the beginning of the Asian session. 127 pips. Holy God. Come on. Oh my God. You could exit. You could have exit. It's excellent opportunity, guys. Come on. That's awesome. Look how it tested. Look how it respects this line. And USD JPY going down again. Now trying to retrace. Let's see oil. Yeah, oil is going up right now. In gold, woo! What happened? What happened, guys? What happened with gold? Okay, any questions? Do you have any doubts? Do you have any particular questions you'd like to make? I'm free to you. So please share. We have 7 brave souls here, 7 brave traders looking for trade, looking for opportunities. Have you seen anything interesting? Let's jump into the 5 minutes. That's our scalping movement. All right, yeah. Downtrend. Against the trend of today. AUD/USD is pulling back. The XY going up. EuroCAD going down. It's against the trend. We're gonna have something interesting here. EuroJPY pulling back, but it's against the trend. Against the trend as well. That's a good trade. GBP AUD testing this moving average. Look at the pattern. Some candles test and down, test and down, test and down, test, down, up and down. Now it's testing again. What's the probability of this to repeat itself? What's more likely to happen? Come on, guys, tell me. Look, what do you think it's gonna happen? From here, up, down, test and down, up and down, test and down, up and down, up and down, up. What do you think it's going to happen? Just tell me. I really want to know. I really want to know. GBP CAD. GBPJY. It's retracing. I don't like this. It's not a triple cross. And let it go. Downtrend. Good. Whoa, 40 pips. Got 40 pips here, guys. You got 40 pips here. Should take that into consider. AEW, go into a buy. Which pair? Which pair are you going? Tell me. entity CAD. Yeah, we didn't have any good triple cross, but the strength of the trend and the higher time frames had the rhythm. So another 19 minutes, sorry, 19 pips right before we started. And the JPY is retracing. And the USD going down, going down. Yeah, already 26 pips, 25 pips. It's great. UCAD now going up. USD Chief, all pullbacks, guys. All pullbacks. And the gold, oh my God, it's going down. Let's make some effort here. All right, guys, do you have any questions? There is low right now. All right, about GA, okay. You were asking about GA. Okay. You're answering. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Yeah, I think it's going to test it and going down again. But we have a change in here, as we have here, as we have here. But let's wait. We never know. But I think it's going down. It's much more likely to go down, right? AUD CAD seems okay to me. AUD JPY, we need this ADX pointing up. AUD NZD retracing. AUD USD going down with strong. Yeah, it's good. I like it. Really like it. It's clearly pulling back. Let's see the 15. Yeah, it's clearly pulling back. It's already pinkish here. It's already pinkish. Let's see 1 hour. Yeah, it's probably going to retrace and test here. Okay, and then maybe it's going down. But as it has surpassed those lines here, maybe it's a trend changing, but we never know. But for now, I think it's going to test this. Maybe it's going to be more like a down around here, and then it can arrange itself for up again. But let's see. 5 minutes. 5 minutes seems very good to me, guys. Right? I'm not gonna take it because we're late, right? We're late for the show. CAD going up, CAD JPY going up, but I don't like this, and we don't have the ADX pointing up. Chief JPY retraced, pointing up again. Euro AUD mixed feelings, very mixed feelings. Euro CAD against the trend, Euro Chief against the trend, Euro GBP. No, I don't like that. I really don't like that. Euro JPY, I really would like a more close cross, but it's a way cross, so I don't think it shows volatile. Euro USD again go down, but against the trend. Look how it tested here. Let's see how it behaves. GBP CAD, nothing very interesting. I don't like this. Is not a triple cross. The triple cross happened way before. We just let it. GBP Chief again, guys. Nothing very interesting, huh? Nothing very interesting. Yeah, markets. It's just sideways. Market very sideways. The same is happening here with NZD USD, the same that I have identified with AUD USD. UCAD going up. Slow in more candles, but it's okay. Yeah, I would bet AUD USD. Okay, let me see if I have. If we have some interesting news here. By the way, if you do not follow me on Twitter, I am Rafael Ribeiro at Twitter, right? I have an Instagram, Rafa Ribeiro Insta. You can follow me on. Okay, no, yes, we have. Yes, we have. Employment change. Unemployment rate on CAD. This is important, right? Yeah, this is important. Markets are. Is markets closed on London today? Regarding the deceased of the Queen Elizabeth. Okay. All right, guys. Do you have any questions? Do you have any doubts? Do you want to share something? You're very quiet today. Very, very quiet. So, okay, let's wait for this Canada unemployment rate release. And we have 34 minutes. It's going to be a shorter live session today. I don't think we have good opportunities for now. Anything you'd like to share? Any information, any doubts, concerns, hard feelings? All right, guys, we don't have anything in particular, and we don't have anything very clear for now. So it's Friday. It's okay. We understand that. So we just call it out, call it off. You enjoy your weekend. We're gonna be back stronger on Monday. All right. I really thank you for all brave souls who attend the class. I really appreciate that. We're going to be together again on Monday. Okay. Thank you very much. AEW, Chede Bennett, that will say Sarkodie, the brave souls that came here to watch the live trade. Nothing very interesting, nothing very good happening. So let's just, enjoy our week. Thank you very much, guy. Bye-bye.